Welcome back to part 2 of the GitHub Copilot clone series. If you have not seen part 1, see part 1 first. Now today we are going to go on and build the entire front end and then test our application. Without further ado, let's get started. Now first we'll start by importing the llm.py file llm as llm. Because we're importing all of the tasks that we made, the AI functions that makes all of this possible. So now if navbar, yes, if the option that has been selected in the navbar is equal to home, we'll add a 0 subheader home, nothing more for the home page. We don't create any fancy design, we'll just leave it up as it is. And then we'll say if navbar is equal to explain code, then we will do first of all st.subheader explain explain code. Okay, then we do code underscore to explain. We'll do st dot text area the label will be equal to code to explain. So above the text area, what it'll do is it will basically display code to explain. So we say if code to explain, like if the user has pressed Ctrl Enter, in which case it will submit it. Then we'll do first of all we'll do response equal to llm dot what's happening llm dot explain underscore code, and we'll plus pass code to explain. The code that explain will be the variable, the text area, basically the value of the text area that the user has given, that will be explained. And then what we do is we'll do st.markdown response, so that like it will actually display it with markdown instead of displaying a hashtag something. It will actually show the heading. That's all for code section. So first for now, let's see if it works actually. Let's see, just in case, better to test exactly a proverb, coding proverb. If code is not tested, it won't work. So instead we'll just let's just see what the actual experience is running our application. Okay, now we're going to open my browser and open this. You can either open localhost port 8501, or you could open this URL right now because I've started it. So what we'll do is explain code. We'll write I'm putting these 3 signs because what is actually explained, it's going to be Python, for example, the coding section. Okay, now I'm gonna enter print hello world. Let's hello world. Okay, control that enter. Take some time. Don't worry, just take some time. Now we're going to test what we have written and go. Let's go here and explain code. Let's write. Let's make yeah, Python print. Write the most basic program. Print hello world. Let's see if it's able to answer it. It will take some time. Wait, what is happening? Oh, now I understand. Let's go back to the llm.py file. We'll have to modify it a little bit. We had to actually do .text, response.text or chat.text, because it's going to get the response, but the text of the response, otherwise it will just show the object type. Now we will restart it. Then we're going to write the Python again. Just keep simple. And this time let's just write a is equal to 2. The code initializes a variable a with the value 2. Yes, and all of this. So it's basically describing what we did. That's what we needed it to do, and that's what it did. Okay, now, so let's go on and create the chatbot section. Now, navbar is equal to st.subheader chatbot. Okay, then we write with st. Sorry. Now we write prompt is equal to st.text area. Label will be equal to chat. Then if prompt, so if the user enter a prompt value, then if they enter the prompt and submitted it, so what to do? So we'll first of all we'll create a message, chat message from the user side, so it will be from the user, and st.markdown prompt. Sorry for that. My intelligence is not working so good nowadays. Chat message assistant response is equal to llm dot chatbot prompt, and then we're going to st.markdown. We're going to write the down, print it in the markdown format, the response. Yeah. Now let's test it. Going to restart it. Chatbot. Let's see what's Streamlit as an example. As you can see, it did give our message with the user side, and now it's waiting for the. Don't worry if it's blank. It's like, as you can see, it came up. It was just thinking for a while. Streamlit is an open source to respond. Streamlit is an open source Python library that makes it easy to get beautiful interactive data visualization and dashboards. With Streamlit, you can quickly and easily turn your data into interactive charts, maps, tables, and more. And it will then outline some benefits of using Streamlit. they'll give an example of what you can create with Streamlit, and then it will tell you if you want to get started with Streamlit, what will you do, what should you do. So now we'll do the same for CLI AI. What we're going to do, I'm going to do st dot subheader CLI AI. Okay, that's okay. Now after that, command is equal to st.text area. We set the label as what do you do. So it'll ask it the user, what do you want, what command are you looking for, what should it do. Just platform is equal to st dot select box. Let's just use a select box, or let's just use the text area. Actually, this is the text area here, and then label is equal to platform. So we'll ask the platform, like on what, Linux, Bash, are you using PowerShell, are you using command prompt, and then if command and if platform. So we'll check if both are, something is entered in it, if the user submitted both of them. If they only submitted one of them, it won't work. We need both of them to be true. Could have created errors if we would have done it afterwards, and would have just written command or just platform. And we're going to do response is equal to llm dot clear command is equal to command comma platform is equal to platform. Okay, and then again stereo markdown. Sorry for that. Response, yeah. Let's test it out and look for it. CLI AI. Okay, what to do? Create a directory, for example. Create a folder. Let's just choose PowerShell. Yeah. On CMD command prompt. That's it. Command prompt. Control enter. It's thinking. And as you can see, it gave our answer mkdir. That's make directory. Folder name. Yeah, folder name. So it's correct. Now we're going to create the final feature of our application. If navbar is equal to techlearn st.subheader techlearn topic. So topic is equal to st.text area underscore area. Label is equal to topic. So if topic, response will be equal to llm dot techlearn. So we're calling the techlearn command, techlearn function from an llm.py file that we have imported on the top. And yes, topic is equal to topic. Now we will test it. Okay, now we created everything. Now let's just test the last techlearn. Let's say Python. Let's say modules in Python. I'm hoping we don't get another error message here. Wait, what is happening? Oh, wait a minute. We just didn't. Something was wrong. I felt it. I don't know if it was wrong or not actually. Now let's do modules in Python. Let's see how much time it really takes. Okay, came on. Finally, it's pretty fast really compared to OpenAI's ChatGPT. I feel like it's really fast, not just me. It's like most people feel like it's fast, but going faster really doesn't matter if it's all correct. So module. Advantage of using modules. Modules can be imported into other programs, eliminating the need to rewrite common code. Modules hide implementation detail and expose only necessary functionality to other programs. Modules help structure large programs into smaller manageable bits. Okay, so what's here that I'm going to leave that for you you to read, all of you to read. You can pause and read, but it's correct. So yeah, thank you for watching. Make sure to subscribe and like, comment on this video.